Good morning from the garden in the woods here in Arkansas. This morning we're talking about Roma tomatoes and protective wear. And you can see here I've got a plant in a 10-gallon grow pot. Again, you can use pots, regular pots for this, plastic pots or plastic pots that seedlings grow in, anything like that to start these tomatoes. But by this time you want them either in the ground or in something like this 10-gallon grow pot, which seems to be doing very well. The tomatoes like it. There's about 20 tomatoes on this plant, but I'd kind of like to see if I can get some more. And so what I've done here is I've moved this tomato plant from where it was. It was right there, and I just moved it a little bit to right here, and you can see I've staked it with some bamboo right here. I've tied it with my little ribbon that I've showed before, the little green ribbon, and I've staked some here as well on this little metal rod. And I've done that because the sun, which is right there, is going to be moving north on us here in Arkansas, and so our days are getting shorter by a couple of minutes each day. And so I'm trying to have my tomato plants get as much sun as possible. And so that's why I've done this. I've also trimmed quite a bit of, you can see all of these, all of this, I cut off the plant in order to help it to be more productive. You don't want a plant that's just has too much foliage, because then you just don't get as much fruit. And as far as protective wear goes, I'll use a wristband. Actually, that's not really for protection. That's so that when I'm sweating, I can wipe the sweat off on that. And then I also will use a headband. You can see this is a white headband. And I soak it in water, put it on my head, and that keeps me cool in these days that are over 100 degrees in the shade. And then also, of course, you got to wear your hat. You got to get that hat going. So anyway, that's about all that I had to show you this morning. I just wanted to show you these beautiful Roma tomatoes, and I'll be taking one, or one like this one, and I'll be taking it into the house today, and I'll be opening it up and placing the seeds in a little cup of water, a little plastic cup of water, to help them ferment. And then eventually I'll put them on a paper towel and roll them up, put them in a plastic bag, and put them in my refrigerator. And who knows how long they're going to last. So anyway, thank you for coming and sharing a few minutes with me here in the garden, and I hope you have a beautiful day. God has given us a wonderful day today, and He is the one who's helping these beautiful little Roma tomatoes to grow. I hope you have a great day.